The 2025 Nissan Maxima EV is an upcoming electric sedan that is expected to compete with the Tesla Model 3 and the Hyundai Ioniq 5. Here is a comparison of the three cars' straight-face features. All three cars come standard with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The Maxima EV and Model 3 also come standard with a sunroof, while the Ioniq 5 does not. The Maxima EV and Ioniq 5 come standard with a hands-free power liftgate, while the Model 3 does not. The Maxima EV and Model 3 come standard with a driver assistance suite that includes features such as automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning, while the Ioniq 5 does not. Interior. The interior of the Maxima EV is expected to be luxurious and well-appointed, with features such as leather seats and a premium sound system. The interior of the Model 3 is also luxurious, but it has a more minimalist design. The interior of the Ioniq 5 is more spacious than the other two cars, but it is not as luxurious. Exterior. The exterior of the Maxima EV is stylish and modern. It has a more traditional sedan design than the Model 3 and Ioniq 5, which both have a more crossover-like design. Overall, the 2025 Nissan Maxima EV is a good choice for those who are looking for an electric sedan that offers a good balance of style, luxury, and affordability. It is a good alternative to the Tesla Model 3 and the Hyundai Ioniq 5. However, the Maxima EV is not expected to be as quick or as efficient as the Model 3, and its interior is not as spacious as the Ioniq 5. Ultimately, the best car for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you are looking for a stylish and luxurious electric sedan with a good range, the Maxima EV is a good option. If you are looking for the quickest and most efficient electric sedan, the Model 3 is a better choice. And if you are looking for the most spacious electric sedan, the Ioniq 5 is the better option.